Careful. Drinking water. Wow, you're capturing some amazing. Rare sight.
She got excited. Yeah, look how strong her back is. And the lazy man is just sleeping.
He's bothered.
He's like, alright. You go chill with the kids.
Oh, here she comes again. She's kind of got spots on the bottom.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's like leopard ones.
Yeah, she's a different type of land in North America.